Marathi tutorial. Transforming experience, presenting opportunities.
Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to create a new profile in your Outlook. Open your Outlook, click on the file, click on account settings, scroll down and choose manage profile. Once this window is open, here click on show profiles. So I have Outlook tutorial and Outlook. Click on add, name the profile, click on OK. Put your name, email address, your password, click on finish. Now by the name of YouTube, we have created a new profile. So here you have two options: prompt for a profile to be used, or always use this profile. So when you choose this option, number one, and you click on apply, you need to choose the profile on the Outlook. Let's see. Close the Outlook. Open the Outlook. Here it gives you the option which one you want to use. So I choose here YouTube. I click on OK. You see, this is a new profile for my new email. So if you want to choose this profile as your default profile, you can go to File, Account Settings, Manage Profile, Show Profiles. So choose the always use this profile. From here you have to also choose the profile. Click on apply and click on OK. Close the Outlook. Open the Outlook. You see, it does not give me the option to choose any profile. It directly opens the profile that I have chosen as a default profile. So if you want to change your mind, you go back to the file, click on account settings, manage profiles, show profiles, use this one, prompt for a profile to be used. Click on apply. That's it guys. If you have any questions, comments or any video idea, please write down in the comment section of this video. I will answer your questions, appreciate your comments or create a video for you. If you're new and like similar videos in the future, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.